Top 10, we going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Channel. Beautiful Sunday morning right now, you know what I'm saying? Clear skies, 95 degrees, pretty hot outside. Not the best weather for Boost. The reason I'm saying all this is because we're going over to see my boy Ant. You guys don't know who he is. This is his first time on the channel. Met him off camera once, definitely a cool person. Might as well link up and do a video for YouTube. My boy's staring at his masterpiece, huh? It's tough though, man. So we're here at the gas station. We met up with Ant. Got his 9 gen here. What year is his 9 gen actually?
2013.
Same engine, same everything. K24Z. Still got the stock motor in there, right?
K20. Both stock motors. Built tranny, both stock motor.
K24Z7, bro. Pushing how much?
45 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque.
Yes, sir. So this is definitely some fun to drive on the road, bro. I know you used to daily this. You don't daily anymore.
I daily this car since 2013, and recently I was blessed enough to be able to get a daily driver, and now this car is a weekend car.
Thanks, so. Bro. Now your daily not no slouch neither.
My daily's not slouch neither. That 2.0 be hitting, so.
Yes. I set my GoPro up and shit. This is my first time using this shit like this. I don't know if this shit gonna fly off.
We on the Civic border.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I should be a YouTuber, right? I should get the startup. What exhaust do you have?
It's a custom exhaust from Ultimate Racing. It's a 3-inch straight pipe to an Ultimate Racing muffler.
That shit sound good, bro.
A lot. It's crazy. Everybody thinks it's something special, but it's literally a straight pipe.
And what the f is going on here?
We're gonna start on some low boost.
Alright.
Let's get straight to it. On my mama, we lit.
You got no music. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I was rolling around with a portable speaker in my shit for like 8 months.
I figured when I first did that, I said, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to drive without music, but you can't hear shit in this car anyway.
Yeah, transmission loud as fuck. That shit sound like a supercharger.
Yeah, it gets a little annoying sometimes, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
How do you pronounce it? Helical or helical? I got that shit.
Yeah.
I got that shit, so I'm excited to see how that shit sound compared to this.
I was gonna get the helical, but it was too good of a deal on the straight cut to pass up.
Yeah, 1,000 horsepower, bro. You can't beat that shit. You can't. Shit looking sturdy, alright. Bro, it don't even sound like a Civic, bro. What the fuck?
Everybody tells me it sounds like an Evo.
Oh my god. I've never been to Evo, so I wouldn't know. We got the helmet in the back. There's some real track shit, bro. That's tough. Gutted trunk. See straight through that shit. That shit look nuts. Three different settings on. So it's a boost controller, right?
Yeah, boost by gear. I can do boost by RPM, boost by speed, however I want to do it. Right now I got it based off gear.
So you can definitely get the most out of this car, bro, so it don't spin and shit. That's fire. Low boost setting too, it's crazy. At least it ain't fly off. Durf like add burbles, or that's just natural overrun?
It's just natural.
That's fire, bro. I like when it just come out natural. That shit.
Yeah, that whole burble thing over.
Yeah. Fuck, bro. sound like a train, nigga. What the fuck? Oh. Boy, pressing buttons just. Alright.
Alright, so this is the boost that I drive around with every day.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. That's every day, bro?
That's every day.
Alright. Torque steer, that shit was fighting, bro. That's crazy.
I'll bust a U-turn up there and we'll put it on high boost.
Alright, bro.
Track boost.
Shit. That's everyday boost, y'all. That's tough. Definitely moving. How much you say this shit will probably weigh since you gutted it, you think? Rough estimate.
I would think like 2850 probably right now.
Yeah.
Sits at.
That's tough, bro.
I've taken out a lot of weight. Sound deadening, speakers, radio, I mean random brackets, everything's gone.
That's
more to take out.
That's tough, bro. Almost 500 that light, that's nothing to play with, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Going to high boost.
Ready?
Yes, sir. You have a twin disc or triple?
Yeah.
Twin?
Competition twin disc.
Competition twin disc. That's tough, bro. That shit don't feel that bad neither, but it grabs.
It grabs. I tell everybody, it's ideal. It's like an on-off switch. There's no like right in it.
Yeah. If my Iron Man gives out, I'm gonna have to go twin.
I can tell this twin's already getting tired. My second one.
Oh shit.
But
You believe in breaking them in?
Nah, fuck no.
I broke my shit in, but that shit still cooks, so I don't even know, bro.
I just feel like they sell this shit specifically for racing. Who's gonna break in something for racing, you know?
Nah, yeah, for real. If it's a race car, why you gonna have it registered to drive on the street and shit? Shit sound like it's whining, bro. That's a Tile Q50? The Tile
Yeah,
Blow
yeah,
now?
yeah.
Okay. That shit sound crazy. Yo. Why that shit hook like that? Oh, why that shit hook like that, though? What the fuck? I ain't never hooked first gear like that. Hey, yo. And on this map, it's boost by gear still?
Yeah. Both like gears gotta ramp it a little different.
Okay. Got the Hassport motor mounts. I need these definitely on my shit. It is very well put together, bro. You did most of it yourself, right? Or if not all of it. Yeah.
Everything's done by me. The only thing that was not done by me was transmission, was built by Ray out of Miami. Sorry, he's a Broward, you know what.
Broward.
So
Great feeling when you build some shit and that shit performs, you know what I'm saying? That's tough, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just walk home after that shit. Alright, boys, after getting a ride in a fucking rocket ship, it's time to get back in the daily. For y'all that don't know, this is just my mom's whip. I ain't money team like that. I only got one whip. It's her Rogue I've been driving around for the past like 8-9 months. Without her blessing me with this daily right now, I definitely would not have been able to build the 9gen the way I've been building it, fam. I'm about to head back to the crib, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick sneak peek at what the car is looking like now. Alright, at you guys. So for those of you who don't know, this is my boosted 9th gen. Recently just built the motor, K24Z3. The Sidewinder kit, still got the stock head, K24Z. Mainly rods, Wiseco piston, CSS block, ready for 800 horsepower. Type S oil pump. The head, we did upgraded valve springs, 80-pound valve springs from SuperTech. Raya 6000 series race valve. Stock cams, upgraded transmission, gears 1 through 4 upgraded. 1 and 2 are Gear X, and then 3 and 4 are BF gears helical, ready for 800. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. Stay tapped in with the build. Shit going crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Shit is going crazy. It's only gonna get better, so. This is just a quick sneak peek for anyone who stayed to the end of the video, you feel me? I was really finna show this all next video, but the car should be up and running soon, y'all. You don't got that much more to do. The turbo feed line for the oil, turbo drain line for the oil, the coolant lines for the turbo. So basically just finish up the plumbing, bleed the clutch. Don't worry, y'all. Gonna be back on the road soon, real soon. Almost 10 months at this point. I'm very excited. We also got to get the injectors clean. We also need to pick up both of the powder coated charge pipe. If you didn't watch the last video, we got them powder coated gloss black to match the intake manifold. So it should have came out really clean. This whole gloss black and strawberries and cream powder coat theme we got going on, it should look crazy, bro. That shit moving the whole whip, bro. If that shit fly off, bro, I'm gonna be tight, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just put my seatbelt on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey bro, just take care of me, bro.
I got you. I ain't die yet.
You right. Matter of fact, hold up, bro. Cause I don't got sport mode and all-wheel drive for no reason. This nigga think I'm a bitch.